Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. In today's video, I'll be going over how to set up your Google Contacts in your Gmail account. Your Google Contacts will act as a virtual address book to keep all your email addresses and your names kind of organized, so you can email who you want and not have to worry about memorization or writing things down. Everything will be saved to Google. So before I begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as it helps this channel. And let's just jump right into it. All right, so first thing you want to do is jump into Google and sign in with your Gmail address. From here, click on Google Apps, top right-hand corner. Third row in, which would be 1, 2, 3, you're going to see Contacts, blue circle with a person in the middle. Click on that. Right here, you'll be presented with your contact screen. What I'm going to do is click on Create Contact. You can create a single contact or you can create multiple contacts. We'll do a single contact. We'll create a contact. Now, this Create New Contact window pops up. Just start entering information in. You could do first name, you could do last name. You can put their company if you wanted. You can put their job title. Email is definitely important. You're going to need that. Put a label for them. You could put their phone number if you wanted to, and any notes that you want to put with your people. After you're done, just hit save. And as you can see, it saved the contact. If you go over to the letter of their name, you can see it says set contact photo. You can assign a photo if you want to said person. It says contact details. If you click on their email address, it goes right to their email address, and you can start typing whatever you want to them and just hit send. That's if you wanted to email them as soon as you created their contact. Now, so you create their contact, and days later, now you want to email them. So you want to be in your Gmail to begin with. If you click on Google Apps, and you click on Gmail. From here, you're going to click on Compose, another word for write. And in the To section, just type in the first letter, and their email address will populate here. Now it goes by first letter, so if you had someone else with the letter T, it'll show that you're multiple T contacts. Or if you had someone with TA, you could type in TA and it would pull it up, just the name with the TA. So if you type T, all your T's will pop up. If you type M, all your M names will pop up, so on and so forth. So yeah, and then you could just start typing what you need to type and then hit send to fire it away. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a simple video on how to create Google Contacts. It acts as your address book, so you can keep everything organized for when you need to send emails. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.